Hi, my name is Dr. Gina Asaf, and welcome to Tustin Dental Group. We are a private practice located in the city of Tustin, proudly serving our communities around us. We are a general and cosmetic practice, but we offer IV sedation, Botox, veneers, extractions, and implants. We also have in-house specialists to serve every need that you may have. We can't wait to meet you. Let's talk whitening. In our office, we offer core whitening. What that entails is having whitening trays made and molded to your mouth. We give you the syringes for you to use for 2 weeks at home. With that, you will be getting whiter teeth at home. And then when you return to the office, we do an in-office whitening where you will leave 8 to 11 shades whiter.